So I studied computer science and engineering, and then went on to do a PhD in dependability. And after a postdoc in Ireland, Trinity College Dublin, I came back here, and now I have a group of 5 PhD students working in cybersecurity. So cybersecurity is one of the big challenges we have for society today. We have built the systems with the digitalization of society has been ongoing for over a decade now, and in all parts of society. But now we've seen that the way we built this system make them vulnerable to attacks from cyber criminals, from enemies of all kinds, and that makes us vulnerable as a society to these things, and we really need to. And I think that many parts of society has also realized this. There are companies, governmental organizations, all of them really need this competence. Linköping University has a very strong research position in the field of cybersecurity. So we have many excellent researchers in the field, and also we have the right kind of interdisciplinary competences that is required in this field. It's not just being able to do the crypto algorithms, but we also need the management side and so on. So we're a broad university, and we can provide this competence. If you have a bachelor in computer science or equivalent, you should apply. And also, if you think that you would like a master in cybersecurity where you really get high quality and good courses, and those students should apply. I think getting practical is one of the. Of course, you have to work hard. That's we have challenging courses that gives you a lot of knowledge, but we also have courses that require a lot of practical, hands-on skills. So I think not just reading books and listening to lectures, but actually getting your hands dirty and trying to solve problems for real. Yeah, there are many career paths in this field, and what they can be something like cybersecurity specialist, security engineer, or developer, software developer. All these competences are really needed in that field, and I would say that whatever the title, you can find these positions all across all sectors in society that now need cybersecurity expertise. So the top reasons to study cybersecurity at Linköping University is that will have an outstanding career opportunities. It's an excellent academic environment, and the breadth of courses that we can provide in this area is richer compared to many other places.